Hey everyone, and welcome back to our 5-day English shadowing challenge. It's already day 4, and I'm so proud of how far you've all come. Your dedication is amazing. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic. Visiting the doctor, or as we often say in the UK, the GP, which stands for General Practitioner. We've got 30 useful sentences packed with phrasal verbs that will make you sound much more natural when you need to talk about your health. Going to the doctor can be stressful, especially in a foreign language. But after today, you'll feel so much more confident. Remember how shadowing works. I'll say a sentence, then you'll see a pause on screen. That's your cue to repeat it exactly as you hear it. Try to copy my pronunciation, my intonation, and my rhythm. The goal is to train your mouth muscles to produce English sounds fluently. Are you ready? Let's get started with day 4. Let's begin. I need to book an appointment to see a doctor. I think I'm coming down with something. I've been feeling under the weather all week. I need to get this rash checked out. My allergies are starting to act up again. I threw up my breakfast this morning. The pain just won't go away. I passed out for a few seconds. I'm trying to fight off a cold. I need to pick up my prescription from the pharmacy. Great job on the first 10. You're doing brilliantly. Keep that energy up. Let's move on to the next set. Remember to really focus on the flow of the sentences. I think I've pulled a muscle in my back. My old injury is flaring up. I'm having trouble getting over this cough. I need to cut down on sugary drinks. The doctor told me to give up smoking. I've been working out to stay in shape. He told me to lay off salty foods for a while. My symptoms started to clear up after a few days. I need to follow up with the specialist next month. Make sure you wrap up warm when you go outside. Fantastic. We're 2/3 of the way through. You're sounding more and more like a native speaker with every sentence. For this last set, let's pay extra attention to those tricky phrasal verbs. Ready for the final 10? Let's do it. The swelling in my ankle has gone down. I'm still getting over the jet lag. I hope I get better before my holiday. I came down with a terrible flu. I'm looking after my son who is sick. He was knocked out during the match. The nurse will take your blood pressure. She's recovering from a major operation. I need to build up my strength again. He told me to take it easy for a week, and that's a wrap for day 4. Amazing work today, everyone. You just mastered 30 essential sentences for talking about your health. These phrasal verbs are used all the time, so practicing them will make a huge difference in your daily conversations. Don't forget to practice these sentences a few more times today, if you can. Repetition is the key to making them stick. I'm so excited for our final day tomorrow. We're going to finish this challenge strong. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss day 5. See you tomorrow.